Travessa do Buzio. Ele are the seashells, ele are the clams. Travessa do Buzio. Buzio. Oh, Buzio. Can you see Buzio? Oh, can't you see what Buzio has done for me? Oh, slices on Macau, seen through the many street names of the alleys. Can't you see what Buzio has done for me?
Okay, Buzio Lane. So we're gonna highlight this one. It's like right next to this little, I'll explain that, but they like kind of do like maintenance stuff here. There's all these tiny little alleys everywhere. So we're probably gonna explore a little bit all around in here, a little bit. But we're gonna put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we're gonna start at. And then we'll go explore and show these alleys. So stay tuned. Buzio Lane. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. So I think the very first thing I'm gonna do is just come right here, and then we're gonna just highlight the lane. So these little lanes, I think that this probably was like a little bit of a small village at one time, and then just kind of was engulfed by a lot of these taller buildings everywhere. So some of these are kind of short compared to some of the other stuff you'll see. So so this Buzio's Lane is quite small actually, but the little village of stuff around it is also small, but quite quaint, walkable, has a lot of character to it. Like this right here, you can see like if they didn't have it for parking bikes, you could probably have some like park benches and gardens and like kind of community. And probably a lot of it was probably more like that. And then they would have built these ones later when they needed more space. That'd be my guess anyways. So Buzio's is quite small. I think it's going to, there's a tattoo shop right there. I think it's going to, still it. So that's still Travessa. So we're still on Buzio. It's a nice, interesting doorway. Okay. There's other little alleys, so they have different names. Travessa de Estera right in there. It's a nice corner one. Actually, one of my friends, he has like a corner like this, and it's just like opens right into the street. It's quite interesting. He's renting it. Let's just continue all the way down Buzio's, and then we can, oh, actually it already just changed. So now it's actually Pasaros. But just to give you some context, we'll go around the block. Now we're gonna come out into these big gridded streets, like Mother Teresa Street is the one that's coming up here. I'll show you. There's also a temple over there. There's also like some like kind of colonial looking houses. And then this Mother Teresa is like a big straight street. So my guess is that they made, they probably had like a small little village in here historically. And then they would have, built up all around it. It's a little education place. Now you got all kinds of tall buildings in here as well. They're all kind of mixed, but that's still that same kind of village feel is still here. You see, there's more down that way. This is the other shop. So our Target Street was right over there. Let me just kind of do a little. So you have this little space, This is a different street, Estera, but I did kind of poke the camera in. There's a tattoo shop that was right here. There's more alleys down here. And we're just gonna keep on exploring around in here a little bit. So the Buzios is on the other side of this one. Caracol, giant wall. Now we're just gonna explore into these little alleys of this probably once like kind of small little houses, and now they're all kind of tall buildings. I guess what happened is maybe they keep buying up the small ones and they build something bigger. And here's like a little bit of a, oh, the food smells so good. It's called the Rotten Rock. So those are kind of cool. So one of the streets was Estera, then we have this one, and then that would kind of go back around. So let me just kind of put this all into context a little bit. And because there's so many streets, since I started at Buzio, sometimes what I do is I do highlight all these other ones and I'll add them all in there. I might do that. I might do that. Yeah, I might add that like that. So I guess basically that is what I'm doing, is I'm highlighting all these little community-oriented ones. Here's a Japanese place. I don't know if it's Japanese or not. It's called Rotten Rock. Right there. Could be a coffee shop. So yeah, this little village could be like its own little space, right? With all kinds of restaurants and bars. And now we're back to where we started, because that's where that other space was at. And we're gonna go around there in a second. But I'm just gonna go down some of these alleys first. Got the big tall, big long grids like that. Let's go down this way. More small streets. Garafano. Travessa di Gafan. So let me kind of meander into this a little bit. So there's kind of more alleys throughout here. Hotel. It's a dog in the street. Or is that a cat? Oh, it's a cat. It's a big cat. Yeah, there's a ton of little streets in here. Like that would of course be interesting to go down that way as well. I don't know. Don't know how I'm gonna label this. There's more. Balsamo. Balsamo could be a good target street as well. Yeah, maybe I'll just stick with Buzio, and then I'll come around and I'll film a different street as well. So let's go back to Buzio. The main thing is that you get to see that Target Street. That's kind of cool too. And this is actually Buzio right here. So we're back to Buzio. So Buzio is there. So this is actually Balsamo, and this is a different one down in that way. Garafano and Buzio. And then this is kind of where we were just at right now. There's like that little spot, but we'll go and check that out in a second. This one right here is Oxford IELTS. It's like language testing. Really nice architecture right there. Okay, so let's go back to Buzio. Huh. So this also says Buzio right here too. So that said Buzio. This one we didn't even walk down yet. So we got one Buzio sign. That was a Buzio sign. So we have two. That's going to be number 3. So there's actually like a few different streets in here that are Buzio. So this is where we originally started at. So let me go back in to Buzio, and then we'll just call it all Buzio Street, Buzio Lane. Check out that white building right there. Every time you go down the street, it looks a little bit different because you notice different things. So now I know that there's a tattoo shop again. And then I remember that actually street sign right there is also Buzio, and then it changes into a different one. And then now we know that this one is also Buzio. So so I guess we'll call it Buzio Lane. It's a pastry shop. Okay, so we're back. Travessa do Buzio. Let's just kind of do a quick. So it was one street, 2 streets. So it's 2 streets plus to that street right there. So we'll just end it over there. We'll end it right there. Look at that tall, skinny building right there. Buzio. There we go. Slice of Macau.